This could be the car for you. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This boldly stylish C300 sedan prioritizes power, efficiency, and refined luxury. From its deluxe cabin to its smooth performance and agile handling to its advanced driver assist tech and passenger amenities, this alluring compact gives you all the advantages. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, moonroof, premium sound system, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim. Take a higher standard of luxury with you wherever the road leads in this stunning C-Class. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.